warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make fruit chaat. A simple fruit chaat made with assorted fruits and flavored with chaat masala and lemon juice. Fruit chaat is a perfect iftar time recipe. This refreshing chaat is mild, tangy and tasty. So let's get started. For making this refreshing bowl, I have taken 1 cup of diced pineapple, 1 cup of guava, 1 cup of grapes, 1 cup of pear, 1 cup of pomegranates and 1 cup of kiwi, and I have taken chaat masala around 1/4 teaspoon, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar and juice of 2 lemons and walnuts. Walnuts are optional, you can skip them, but they give a good mouth feel. And I have taken 2 bananas, you can add more also, and 1 apple that I am going to dice later. Now in a mixing bowl I have diced apple and I will add lemon juice to it so that it won't turn brown. Mix and then add all the other fruits, grapes, pineapple, pomegranate, whatever fruits you have taken. You can take any fruits of your choice, mango or any other, whatever is available with you. Kiwis I will add later, so I'll give them a good mix. Then I'll be adding bananas, mix and then add other things. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, chaat masala and remaining lemon juice, and I'll be adding walnuts also. Mix it properly so that all the fruits are coated with lemon juice and chaat masala. Now I'll add kiwis. Mix properly. Cover and keep them in refrigerator for around 2 hours, minimum 2 hours. It tastes best when it's chilled. So after 2 hours our refreshing fruit chaat is ready. It's ready to serve. This fruit chaat has a pop of colors, refreshment of fruits and a blend of tangy and spicy taste. I'll be showing you more fruit chaat recipes with different ingredients. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.